threw this at me?
Oh.
One of you guys just threw this at me?
Oh shit!
Oh, why would you guys just throw something?
Yo, he's just a mannequin. He's just a mannequin.
Здравейте, господине, Хадштайнсволд спи. Здравейте, госпожо.
Oh shit! What's up, bro? How you been? What's up? Yo, what's up, gang? Yo, what's up, bro? You trying to go to Are You Hungry? Yeah? Alright, let's go. Come on.
You just had something in your hair. Can I just brush it off for you real quick?
Yeah.
It's like at the top right here.
Are you serious?
Hey, you had him in your hair.
I didn't even feel him.
Well, that's weird. He's just sitting up there.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.